If your computer won't open a basic JPG, your photo usually isn't corrupt. The Windows Photos app is just glitched. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. We aren't going to fix the file, we're going to fix the app in Windows Settings. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken JPG. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. When viewing the file metadata, the JPG shows a direct link to the raster image file standard. The data is compressed following the JPEG Image protocol. The JPG or JPEG file type is the most common standard for lossy compression of digital images. Its primary function is efficiently storing photographs and complex visual data in a small file size, making it the ubiquitous standard for web distribution and digital cameras. Governed by the Joint Photographic Experts Group, JPEG standard, the format uses a discrete cosine transform, DCT, to discard redundant visual data. This design is critical. While it saves immense space, the compression is irreversible, meaning the image loses quality every time it is saved, a key aspect of its design. The proper file association links JPG directly to the Adobe Illustrator CC solution by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows can preview the image but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows provides a lightweight view, while full editing power resides in image software. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your JPG file and select Open With. If Adobe Illustrator CC is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If your JPG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific JPG error occurs on your system. First, change default program. Right-click the file and use Open With to select a different default program, like Photos, Paint, or an alternative viewer. Next, check file extension. Ensure the file ends only in .jpg or .jpeg, and not something like .jpg.exe, which indicates a potentially malicious or incorrectly named file. Finally, repair, reset, viewer. If the issue persists, go to Windows Settings, Apps, and use the advanced options to repair or reset the viewing application, like the Photos app. If test results show the JPG file is completely non-standard, the final move to the specialized recovery tool is mandatory. It's the advanced option designed for this type of file, so it's worth a shot. The simple fix is File Magic. It's the recommended universal viewer for any complex JPG file. Download it at filemagic.com. Your file corruption should be history. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.